Hi everybody, Susan Dillman-Stills here from Mount Comfort RV. This is the Freelander 23FS, and we're going to look at that really closely here in just a second. I just wanted to mention we're out here at the Indy Boat Sport and Travel Show, and we've got several motorhomes for you to look at. But if you really want to see motorhomes, where you've got to go is our lot, and that's just minutes away on I-70, just east of the city of Indianapolis. Well, let's dig into my Freelander a little bit closer. I think you're going to agree, this is that mythical RV that is 40 feet on the inside and 20 on the outside. Actually, this is about 26 feet, so super nimble, but it's still going to sleep a lot of people. Well, as we walk down, I can't talk about a Coachmen, first of all, without talking about the walls. Asdel is what your backer is on the fiberglass. What that is, of course, your fiberglass has to stick to something. It's not rigid enough to hold that whole wall, so they adhere it by vacuum bonding, they put it in a big sack and suck all the air out. What they do is they adhere this to a plastic composite that is lighter than wood, insulates better, is formaldehyde free, and has virtually no chance of delaminating should you get a leak down inside your wall. Now, if you're maintaining your seals, that should never happen. But we all have, bad luck somewhere, and if you should get water down inside your walls, you're not going to have to deal with delamination, which is unsightly. If there's enough of it, it can compromise the strength of your wall, and of course, it's going to devalue your motorhome. Well, as we just kind of slip down here, we'll take a good look at what Coachmen has done for 2023. Love the clean graphics. This is going to be an outdoor shower right here. Right here. This is your LP Quick Connect right here. So you can do a low pressure gas grill that will draw off the LP bottles that are in your motorhome. Back here, this is your outside shower. And then this is all of your water tank control, your black tank flush, your city water, and your water tank fill, with all together consolidated. I love this chevron with the PD in the middle. That is the Coachmen mascot. Of course, you've got a nice bumper here. The 23FS will tow about 7,500 pounds, so you certainly can tow a decent sized vehicle. But folks, we've taken a quick break. Now we're going to jump inside the Freelander 23FS. I think you'll agree this floor plan is not to be beaten. Of course, you got your big bunk up here. You can sleep a couple of folks there. This little dinette makes down into actually a pretty spacious place to sleep. We did order the swivel seats in the front in the cab. You've got a nice monitor where everybody can see to navigate. Cruise control, stability control, pretty much what you'd expect on an RV chassis. Back here, quite a bit of counter space, and this is your tower of power, 2 USB charges, 2 110 outlets. Of course, lights here above, which 3-burner cooktop, something that we're seeing a lot of manufacturers go to just the 2-burner. Microwave up top, and then we've got a decent sized bathroom in here. I kind of like the way they've done this. With this angled wall, it just allows them to get a little bit more storage here. Medicine cabinet up above, shower back there. I love the soap holder. Clever things. But then when you get into the bedroom, this is what makes this. This is a residential length bed. It's going to sleep 2 people very comfortably. You've got windows on both sides. Of course, if I pop that up, what you're going to see is the brick wall here at the Indy Boat Sport and Travel Show here at the Indiana State Fairgrounds. But you can see that this does open. Shade, this is not the typical fabric shade. This is a little bit more robust than the old fabric shade. So don't be afraid of that pleated push down, lift up shade. Back here, we've got some great storage space. Look how deep this is. This goes all the way back behind your shower. So you could put a tote here, you could put additional shelves in here. There's a ton of room. And then down here, drawers. Awesome, right? Somebody was thinking about the fact that you need a place to put your stuff. Well, that's just a quick look at one of the motorized units we have here at the Indy Boat Sport and Travel Show. If you want to see a lot more C's, a lot more B van campers, a lot more A gas campers and diesel pushers, come out and see me at our lot. We're located on I-70 just east of Indianapolis. For Mount Comfort RV, I'm Susan Dillman-Stills. Give me a call if you have any questions or would like to take a test drive.
Hey, just one more thing before you go. We're 30 minutes from opening right now, and I just wanted to do a shout out to our owner, Ken Eckstein, to let him know that we actually do pay attention in the sales meetings every morning. There was a survey done that says 22% of people are interested in camping. So that's pretty cool, but what I took away from that was there's 78% of people out there. What are you doing? Are you just going home and watching TV and sitting on the couch? You need to come see Mount Comfort RV, and we're going to take care of you, and we're going to raise that number. Let's go 50%, okay? Let's get those numbers up. Come and see us.
Get out there and start having fun.
Come on, this is a lot of fun, and we're going to make it fun. We're going to teach you how to do this too. So hope to see you out here. Come on.